There's something magical about crochet, something timeless, something deeply personal. Every loop, every stitch, every pattern tells a story. And today, I want to take you on a beautiful journey through some of the most adorable, elegant, and easy to make crochet blouse designs that might just inspire your next masterpiece. Imagine this: a young woman standing in front of her mirror, holding a crochet hook for the very first time. She doesn't know it yet, but a simple ball of yarn is about to change everything. Her first stitches weren't perfect. Some were too tight, some too loose. She unraveled her work more times than she could count. But with every mistake came a lesson, and with every lesson came confidence. Weeks later, her hands moved differently, more smoothly, more naturally, as if the yarn itself was guiding her. And then she created her very first crochet blouse. Simple, elegant, handmade with love. And the moment she wore it, she didn't just wear a blouse. She wore her patience. She wore her creativity. She wore her story. And that's exactly what this collection is all about. As you watch these stunning crochet blouse designs, notice the beauty in every detail. Some designs are soft and romantic, perfect for sunny afternoons, coffee dates, or peaceful walks. Others are bold and modern, made for women who love to stand out without saying a word. You'll see delicate floral patterns, airy summer styles, classic vintage touches, and trendy designs that blend tradition with modern fashion. And the best part? Many of these designs are surprisingly easy to make. Yes, even if you're just beginning your crochet journey, these ideas can become your next project. Maybe you're creating something for yourself, maybe for your daughter, your sister, your best friend, or maybe, just maybe, you're creating something that could one day become your own fashion brand. Because every expert crocheter started with just one stitch. So as you explore these beautiful blouse ideas, don't just look at them. Imagine yourself creating them. Imagine choosing your favorite colors, feeling the softness of the yarn, watching your design slowly come to life, and finally, wearing something no machine could ever replicate. Something unique, something handmade, something truly yours. Which design speaks to your heart the most? The elegant one, the playful one, or the one that makes you say, "I need to make this today"? Take your time, enjoy every design, and let your creativity lead the way. Because in crochet, you're not just making clothes, you're creating memories, one stitch at a time. Enjoy the collection,